Please write down the note. Basis means difference of spot and futures. Full stop. Generally, comma, market is in Contango, comma, it means F exceeds S. Futures price is exceeding the spot price. Full stop. It is because of cost of carry model. Dear students, what do we understand with the term cost of carry model? It is F is equal to spot plus interest. That is called cost of carry model. In case of a commodity, comma, there can be a situation of backwardation, comma, in which F is lower than spot. It may be because in cash market demand is more and the time by which futures contract expire, comma, at that time supply is more. Full stop. Next question is calculate the payoff of the transaction. Means we are required to make the computation of the profit or loss for the transaction in which we have entered upon. That is a question. So friends, over here, in order to compute the answer of the fourth question, we understand like this, that on 1st of February for the month of May, a transaction is entered upon wherein it has been given that says sold 5 contracts 4 months time period for rupees 9 lakhs. So as far as the sales value is concerned, it is an amount of 9 lakhs. At the time of the closing trading of the last Thursday, index turned out to be 2100. So in order to square off the contract, you are required to buy it. What is the price at which you have to buy it? 2100. What is the lot size? 75. And how many contracts are entered upon? 5. So 2100 into 75. So 1,57,500 into 5. 7,87,500. And difference of both of them is the profit or loss. So there is a profit of 1,12,500. This is the way we are required to make the computation of the profit or loss. So let us answer the fourth question. I was just explaining to you, now proper answer. The first is the sales value. In that 9 lakhs less purchase value. The purchase value will be 2100 because that is the last day price into 75 lot size into 5 is the number of contracts. 157,500 into 5. 787,500. Difference of both of them is a profit or loss. That is an amount of 1,12,500. Please take down answer. So friends, in this question that we have done, I think that's the new point that we have is only about the Contango and backwardation. Calculation of the basis, and based on that Contango and backwardation is the new point. Otherwise, rest of the things have been done by us directly or indirectly, say in a time, that is a number of times we have covered it. It may be asked in a different way, however the things are not something which is new. It is exactly the same thing that we already have done it. Why do I specify this point? I specify this point because as a student, when you are doing the revision, at that time you should have a clarity that what is the new point in this question.